Welcome back. An annual day to remember lost loved ones holds extra meaning for folks this year in Jean Lafitte. Many have spent their All Saints Day visiting headstones that Hurricane Ida left damaged.
And others are still searching after the storm carried their relatives' remains away. WDSU's Harrison Golden is outside the Old St. Anthony Cemetery in Lafitte. Harrison, I know this is just one of the many cemeteries hard hit over there.
Yeah, for sure, Sola. Folks here have been spending a good part of their day laying down some flowers for their loved ones lost. Again, not just here, but a whole bunch of cemeteries here in Lafitte. Of course, Hurricane Ida did quite the damage, not just to Lafitte's living, but also its dead.
It's really powerful to see what the storm did.
It's the family reunion Ann Pleak never thought she'd have. Hurricane Ida lifted her century-old cousin's tomb from Bailey Cemetery in Barataria all the way across the bayou.
It was very strange. That was definitely unusual.
She identified the casket Monday at the old St. Anthony Church in Lafitte. These days, it's a staging area for displaced caskets, dozens of them. They include some that washed onto Don Weaver's yard during the hurricane.
2 days after the storm, when I got back here, I just walked away for a while. I couldn't deal with it right away. I mean, it took me a while to get my head straight so that I could come back here, and because it was just overwhelming.
I think it's been just devastating. Well, I don't think that. I know that.
Ryan Seidemann chairs a state-run cemetery task force created after Hurricane Katrina. Members have recovered more than 100 caskets since early September, but near Lafitte and Barataria, there's still work to do.
We have locations that we know that caskets were on the waterfront or just slightly in the water. And so we're gearing up equipment for recovery of those.
Crews then hope to bring more resurfaced tombs back to their resting places, which could take more months. But St. Anthony Church Deacon Ted Kane says it's work well worth it.
This community loves its fallen.
The deacon spent his All Saints Day blessing graves all over Lafitte, sprinkling holy water on the ones still here and praying for the ones that aren't.
The neighbors are helping the neighbors just to dig out of what's happened because of the hurricane. And yeah, it extends to the dead.
Now again, Ryan Seidemann with that cemetery task force says that at this point, about 10 caskets remain missing at this point, all of them here in Jefferson Parish right now. If it's any indication how long this project could take, by the way, Ryan is still working on graves in Lake Charles, hard hit after the hurricanes there last year. For now, we're live in Lafitte. Harrison Golden, WDSU News.